Hello guys, my name is Gad and welcome to another Game Maker tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to create sprites and sounds and how to create our very first game. Today we'll be creating Arkanoid. This will be a couple part tutorial. I don't know, maybe two or three, depending on how it goes. So now we can go launch up Game Maker. I got all the sprites from this really cool guy called Mr. Lee. I will link him down in the description. Make sure you guys subscribe to him immediately. So now we can go over. So now up the top we have our options: create new game, open existing name, save the game, publish it on the website, publish it on the Game Maker website, run the game, just test it, create sprites, sounds, backgrounds, objects, etc. So I want to create a sprite. We can either create a sprite by clicking on this button or double clicking on this button, which I've been accustomed to do, but until I discovered they can do just a little red Pac-Man up the top here. So we'll just sprite on. So now we're creating Arkanoid. So Arkanoid, the first object we'll need is a ball. So this is the file with everything you'll need. So we've got ball, red. We've got more colors with colored balls. Now we've got pinball. Oh, I didn't realize that before. Well, what do you know? We explore stuff and you realize stuff. I'll just use ball red for now. Ball red, you will do this ball sprite on this bat. Create the bat, and we'll choose the large bat. And you don't need to click on anything else. You just name it. You don't need to click on anything else. So all you do is just create sprites, a little red Pac-Man up top. Right, underscore. We'll do brick, load sprite. You find the split stone. There's a couple colors, but there's a couple more in here, just a couple more kind of, if you want to do more like features, like special features, so when you hit a brick, we don't want to save it yet. We shall get to that part soon. Just that mark. Now we will create a wall. There we are. Now on to the next thing. Which is backgrounds. So to create background, we'll just go this. Create background, we'll go. Then create start screen and everything after too. Which I'll create another one for you guys. Which I'll do, and now we can do purple sparks or blue sparks. I like blue sparks personally. Main background. I'm just showing you the basics here, and all those start background stuff will be linked down in the description as well, with all the packs, with the pack that I'll link you down in the description. So I got my main background. There we are. Now let's create the room, shall we? Now we're gonna make the room 32 by 32. If I'm going too fast for you, make sure to pause the screen. And now to create settings, you can create name the room. Let's name this. Let's name this main room, just temporarily. And now the main background is a pixels. Pixels are on the main background. 448 by 416. 448 by 416. 416. That, and now we go over. Now here, if you don't, you just go on this little arrow here. It brings up more options. Background. So we'll go foreground image. We'll choose main background. Now we'll just go back, tick to make those changes. Save them. So now we've got all of our sprites, our main background, our main room. So now we want to get, as you can see, when we go into our main room, we need to actually add objects. We don't have any objects. Well, we create objects from the sprites that we have. So we'll just create objects, ball, and we'll load in the sprite that we already have of a ball. And we'll do the exact same for all the other sprites and make objects out of them. So we can actually make them functionable, make them have functionality. Now remember, all of them have everything that's in the game has to have everything that you're going to place in the game has to be an object as well as a sprite. There we are, and also we'll make these solids so that nothing goes through each other. Nothing goes through one another, especially the wall, because the wall is the most important thing you need to have solid. So now you realize that when you open up objects, you have all these events and actions, which I will show you in the next part of the tutorial, which I'll put up in a day or two, maybe in a couple of days, because I'm been a bit busy recently, and especially with exams this week, I'm going to be a little bit more busier. Okay. Now sounds, while you're doing it, you can just save the game up here. We'll just name it Arkanoid, saving game maker. Yes, let's do that. Because I think it was previously done before. Create sounds. So now we'll do just I believe there's background music in this. Documents. No. Arkanoid resources. The sound. Bleep. So this is when it hits the wall, it makes this sound. Hits the brick, makes that sound. Hits the bat, makes that sound. There it is. What's this one here? That's okay. Crowd.
And the crowd goes wild.
What the hell? Pardon my French, sir. Then we'll just use that. There we have got our main music, and we'll just add in everything else. Just the hit brick. Hit brick and anything else. So my next part of the tutorial will be on creating the code. Creating the code because I want to make this easy, accessible. I don't want to make this all in one. I want to make it all like easy to know. So you can click on. So it's not on the one. So it's not all in the one video, and you just have to. And you don't have to like search through like the one video. Yeah. So you don't have to search through the one video for just the one part that you were looking for. If you're stuck on that part, We'll save that. So I believe that is it. That is it. If I'm missing anything, I will address that in the next tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for part 2 of the tutorial. Bye.